Let's be real, the job market's a bit wild right now, and AI is a huge part of that. See, the real threat isn't the tech itself, it's the person who's already mastered it. That's the big question, right? Let's break down exactly how you can get ahead of the curve. Most people are just scratching the surface, and that's a massive missed opportunity. The secret is a mindset shift. You need to stop seeing a tool and start seeing a collaborator. So how do you collaborate? With prompt packs. Think of them as expert blueprints for talking to AI. Okay, enough theory. Let's see what this looks like for, say, a real marketing team. Instead of just small tasks, AI can help build high-level strategy and structure entire creative briefs. It also massively speeds up content creation, from ad copy to full-blown video scripts. It can even handle complex research, finding powerful insights in minutes, not days. So, with AI doing all this, where do you fit in? Well, your human skills just became critical. It all comes down to these three skills. AI can't replace them, it just makes them better. This is how you guide the AI and how you make sense of what it tells you. AI gives you the options, but you're still the one making that final strategic call. And how well you communicate your thoughts, that directly impacts the quality of the AI's work. Check this out. By 2030, the World Economic Forum says almost 40% of our core job skills will change. In a world that's changing this fast, your core human abilities are your greatest assets, period. So, what's the game plan? Here are 3 things you can start doing right now. First, you have to be a constant learner. Make exploring new tools a weekly habit. Next, automate the tedious stuff. This frees you up for the high-impact work that matters. And finally, share what you're learning online. It shows recruiters you're passionate and ahead of the curve. So think of AI as your new partner. What's the first big thing you two are going to build?